So how to backup your phone to your USB cable or external hard disks, Samsung Galaxy A56 or any Samsung device. Open your setting and go to account and backup, and then you can see the external storage transfer. Press on this option. Now connect your USB cable. If you don't have type C, then you can use this kind of converter as well. I'm using the converter. Then connect it and wait a couple of seconds, and then you can see USB storage. Select USB storage. Now searching for data to backup. Now if you want to backup everything or just contact, or you can also customize as well. For quick purpose, I am selecting this one. Press on next and data backup and using your Samsung account. Don't show. Press on OK. Now it's calculating, and once it's done, your all phone will be backup to your pen drive. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.